country of manufacture. The Mercedes C300 is manufactured in various countries, including Germany, the United States, and some other locations where Mercedes-Benz has production facilities. The specific country of manufacture can vary depending on the production year and regional demand. Technical indicators, 2021 model. Here are some technical indicators for the 2021 Mercedes C300 model. 1. Engine. The 2021 C300 typically comes with a 2.0-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine. 2. Power output. The engine produces around 255 horsepower. 3. Transmission. It is equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission. 4. Drivetrain. The C300 is available in both rear-wheel drive (RWD) and all-wheel drive (AWD) configurations. 5. Fuel efficiency. The fuel efficiency of the C300 can vary depending on factors such as driving conditions and specifications, but it typically achieves around 22 to 25 miles per gallon (mpg) in the city and 30 to 35 mpg on the highway. 6. Acceleration. The 2021 C300 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.7 seconds. 7. Dimensions. The car's dimensions can vary slightly depending on the body style, but generally, the length is around 184 to 185 inches, width is around 71 to 72 inches, and height is around 56 to 57 inches. Other information. The Mercedes C300 is part of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class lineup, which offers a range of sedan, coupe, and convertible models. The car features a luxurious and comfortable interior, with advanced technology and safety features. It often includes features like leather upholstery, infotainment system with touchscreen display, smartphone integration, advanced driver assistance systems, and more. The C300 is known for its smooth and refined ride quality, precise handling, and a balance between sportiness and comfort. Various optional packages and trim levels are available to customize the car according to personal preferences and requirements.